Hi, Ken here from Ultralight, and today we're going to do a video to follow up on the one we did on clamp maintenance, but today we're going to do one on the clamps that we actually manufacture. So to manufacture the clamps, what we do first is we machine everything out of aircraft grade aluminum. After that, we send it to our anodizer to put the black coating on, and both of those guys are within 2 to 3 miles away from our office here in Oxnard. So it is all local and American made. A new cool thing that we have is we have 3 new colored knobs. We have the ultra blue knob, we have the kelp green knob, and we have the splashy red knob. All 3 of these knobs come in either the 1/4 28 to fit most all our clamps, or the 1/4 28 to fit the fine thread. So you can get all the colors for any of the knobs that we sell. So after we have the anodizing, then we assemble everything here and we come up with a clamp. So the clamp that we first started making was the CS clamp, and this would be the CS clamp. The next one after that was a CSF clamp. Now the big difference between these 2 clamps is the CS. I'll show you, let me get them both out. So on the CS clamp, you have that much movement from side to side. On the CSF 28, you have considerably more. It's actually 15 degrees on both of the angles. So you get more movement out of the clamp than the CS, and from there we ended up building a CSF 28. This clamp is the same as the other, but it has the finer thread bolt, so you can tighten it down a little finer increments. So the difference being between the clamps that we sell now is we have the CSF, which has a 1/4 20 thread, and this is a coarse thread. We also have the CSF 28, which is a 1/4 28 thread, which is a fine thread. So you can get a little bit more tighter adjustment on that. Then from there, we sell a triple clamp, which would be this, the ac-tcs. And you can put any 3 things you want on there, but you do want to always have 3 items attached. If you try to only do 2 and tighten it, it's going to start pinching, because this part's going to go down further. And then from there, we also have the CSB clamp. The CSB is designed for our large arms, and the reason being is the spacing is a little more here, so the arms lay flat together. Now on these, they lay almost flat, but if I was to use this clamp here, they would stick out. So the CSB is the clamp of choice for the large buoyancy arms. We also have the CSL clamp. The CSL clamp is longer, and this is a perfect clamp to mount an added light, like on this tray, because you have a little more reach. A lot of people like the CSL also for the front of their camera, if they have domes, to get the light out in front of the dome. So those would be the different clamps that we sell. We also have 2 specialty clamps that we make, the ac-cssk and the ac-tcsjk, the triple clamp and the regular clamp. The difference being, and you can see it better on this triple clamp right here, is there's a cutout on these. And with that cutout, you can take this arm and swing it all the way over, which has its advantages, especially for the triple clamp. If you wanted to mount one more here, you'd have yourself like a little tripod. That is also the same clamp that we use on all of our tripods and triple clamps. And other than that, I think that covers it for ultralight clamps today. Happy diving and have a great day.